Hi, we're back in Northborough at La La Java talking legal topics in the home buying and selling process with Mike Robbins of Crowley and Cummings. Talk to me about titles. Talk to me about title insurance. Talk to me about owner's insurance versus all the other different kinds.
Certainly. So owner's title insurance is a very specific type of insurance that most buyers purchase at the closing table when they buy a home. There's a one-time fee, so there's no annual cost, and what it does is it ensures that the piece of paper that the seller is providing to you is worth what it's been printed on. You're paying hundreds of thousands of dollars, and title insurance is to ensure that that title, your ownership, has the ability to be resold. It requires that the title is what's called good, clean, and marketable. You have to buy, typically if you are financing, you have to buy a lender's title insurance policy, and you have the option of purchasing an owner's title insurance policy because they have separate beneficiaries, one being the bank, the other being
Why can't there just be title insurance that covers all the participants?
Just like there's any other type of insurance that you have, if you have a life insurance policy with A as the beneficiary, you could get a policy with B as the beneficiary. It encompasses the same title, and that's why it's all incorporated into your one purchase agreement.
So how often are there title problems? I know that my daughter had one on a property where they had done an improper foreclosure on someone years before, and they really couldn't sell the property. They did not have the ownership of it to do so, and that's the only way we found it out. How about in your own experience?
You know, if a property comes out of foreclosure, new construction, it's kind of an inverse of what you would expect. You'd think that new construction, that the title would be very clean, but what happens is it's usually a collection of properties that have been purchased, and that title is originating from little pieces of property to come into one, and usually there can be title problems with new construction. The common problems that we have are really dealing with estates, foreclosures, bankruptcies. That's when the title really becomes problematic, as your daughter found out.
So do you recommend people get owner's
Absolutely.
title insurance?
And I say this with all the sincerity in the world. It is your largest financial purchase, typically of your lifetime. There's an adage that anything that can and should be insured that is not will be destroyed. And there is just that inherent, it's better to insure it, it's a one-time cost, and you typically don't have to worry about your title again.
Well, Michael, thanks for coming out and talking to us today about title insurance.
Thanks for having me.
Here's the thing where you get to participate. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Either drop a note down below or give me a call at 508-733-6005. Thanks and have a great day.